Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome back to the channel. And today I will going to teach you how to do linear and multiple regression. So first of all, you have to do that. Your data should be coded, and most importantly, you should have calculated the average value of the uh, items of your variable. So let's suppose I have five items of my SL variable. This is my SL variable, and I have five items of it. So the the average value of these five items should be calculated. So this should be done. It is a necessary process. So after this, open this file in SPSS. Okay, after opening this file, to do the linear regression, just go to the analyze and regression and this linear. So this page will open, which will say independent variable and your dependent variable. And the rest of these, they are not as important. In your model, you can have multiple independent variables, but there can only be one dependent variable. So in the independent variable, you have the option to put the lots of a lot of your variables. So like let's suppose I have SL as my independent variable, and I have PS as my dependent variable. So if you click OK, it will calculate the regression. But if let's suppose you have multiple independent variables, just click like like IRBD. You can also put it in independent variables, or IR. You can also put it in independent variable. But as for me, I don't have three independent variables. I only have one independent variable. So I'm just going to put one in each. So then go to the statistics option and uh, R square change. It is important. Descriptive. It is also important. Part and partial correlation. It depends upon you if you need it or not. In my case, not necessary. And uh, and the rest is optional. If you want, you can tick them, but in my case, it is not necessarily. Or in general perspective, it is not necessary. And the rest of the option should stay as it is. And just click OK. And this will give you your results. So on the first table, it is just simple descriptive statistics, mean, standard deviation, and N stands for sample size. And this is beneath it, it is your correlation table, and uh, and this is the most important one, model summary. So it gives you R square, R, and standard error of estimate, and R square change, which we have taken, and significant F change. So this it is significant if the value is below 0.05. So in my case, it is significant. And this model summary is the most important part as it describes your answer. So this is how you do linear regression.